Hello, everyone. Did you know that almost 60% of users refuse to download an app just because the App Store screenshots don't look attractive? That's why I've brought you a tool called AppLaunchpad. It helps you create beautiful, eye-catching screenshots quickly and saves a lot of time. This video is sponsored by AppLaunchpad, and I personally use this tool to design my screenshots. You'll find the AppLaunchpad link and a discount coupon code in the description below. First, go to the official website, AppLaunchpad, and sign up. Once you log in, you'll see the dashboard. Here you can choose the device type, iPhone, iPad, or Android, and also set a custom size if you want. AppLaunchpad provides a variety of ready-made templates and layouts to place your screenshots in. I will select one template from these for demo purposes. Here, you can easily change the background color. You will get options for both solid and gradient colors. You can also add an image as a background. In the solid color option, you'll find a color palette that lets you quickly choose any shade you like. You can change the font family according to your preference, edit the text, and modify its color. You can also adjust the font style. Make it bold, italic, underline it, or even add a line above the text. Additionally, you can change the text alignment and adjust the line height as needed. Once you select this mockup, you'll see an Upload Image option. Here, you can upload your app image, and as soon as you select it, the image will automatically appear inside the mockup. Super easy. There's also a style option, where you can customize the mockup's look according to your preference. You can adjust the image from any angle and modify its position just the way you want. You can zoom in and zoom out on the template, and you can also place it in either vertical or horizontal orientation. Right now, I'm changing the background color my way. You can also customize it according to your own style.
There's a text option where you can add text in your own style. It also has a language option You can select any language and the entire template will automatically translate into that language. So easy, right? You can even add your own custom fonts just the way you like. The next option is Elements, which I personally like the most. It includes devices, images, and design elements. In the Devices section, you'll find all kinds of devices in 3D style, such as mobile phones, iPads, tablets, computers, browsers, and watches. You can use these to easily create your own mockups. For example, I'm changing this mockup right now, replacing it with a new one. You can easily swap the image inside it. So simple, right? In the Images section, you'll find various types of images organized by topic, and within each topic, there are lots of device-related visuals. Under Elements, there are many great design assets that you can customize, adjusting their size and color just the way you like.
You can give your project any name you like. Once you're done, you can download your screenshots in JPG or PNG format. When you go to My Saved Designs, all your designs are automatically saved there. I've already created screenshots for one app, and you can easily download them in JPG or PNG format. On the dashboard, there's an inspiration section where you can explore ready-made screenshots. From there, you can take inspiration and design your own new screenshots. There's also an iPhone and iPad option, so you can easily get inspiration for the specific device you're designing for. You'll find all kinds of categories, so you'll get designs that match your app type perfectly. I hope this video gave you some great ideas to make your app screenshots stand out. Now it's your turn to create stunning, eye-catching screenshots quickly and easily with AppLaunchpad.